Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing the video and the best available transcript. This saves time and reduces manual typing. First, confirm the file is MP4 or another supported container, then open the app and tap Import. If you have raw audio only, use the app's audio text feature. It speeds up alignment. Once done, make sure Auto Detect Language is on so the engine picks the correct model. This step sets the foundation for precise timing and fewer edits later. You'll now align and refine the captions, focusing on timing and readability. Start with auto-sync to match text to waveform, then scrub through and nudge timecodes by 0. 1 second for tight alignment. Make sure to split long sentences into 2 lines, staying within 32 to 42 characters per line so viewers can read comfortably. Also, correct speaker labels and technical terms because accuracy affects comprehension. Once you've cleaned repeats, use bulk search replace to fix recurring misspellings quickly. You're ready to export and validate the final subtitles. Pick SRT or VTT for text delivery, or burn-in if a locked file is needed. Then play the exported file on the target device to confirm sync, check for overlapping captions, and ensure line breaks stay on screen long enough. If you encounter persistent misalignment, first rerun AutoSync and clear the app cache. If that fails, manually adjust the offending segments and re-export. This final pass ensures accessibility and a polished viewing experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.